Hey everybody, so today we are going to be talking about the 511 Tactical XBT A6 flashlight that comes in black. This is a full-size flashlight. As you can see, the size in my hand, it's one of your larger flashlights. Works like a charm. Despite its size, it's not that heavy. You can still carry it, so if you, I don't know, if you do security work, it's not going to add that much weight. If you want to keep it in your car for, you're taking a long trip or you have a flat tire or anything like that, this is going to work out well for you. I carry the smaller flashlights, but when I really need to see, this is what I use because this guy here, you have 629 looms. And the batteries on this last for 10 hours and you can go all the way out to 328 meters. And it actually comes with batteries, 6 batteries it comes with for your first shot. You're good to go. It feels like a flashlight. It feels like one of those old-timey flashlights when like the cops used to carry them. You can literally use it because it's got enough weight to it in case you need it to as a weapon. The other things that I like about it is it has the grooves along the side so it's not going to slip out of your hand. It's built like a horse. I mean, when you unscrew it, you can feel the craftsmanship in this, and it feels like this is something that's just going to last forever. You're looking at 6 AA batteries. They just pop right in, and AA batteries, you can pick them up anywhere, so you're never going to really be running out. And to turn this on, you have a thumb press right here on the top. You can click it, and it stays on. And then if you want, you can just depress it just a tad and then get just a glimpse of light in case you're trying to look and see what's going on. So if you're walking around, you don't want to give your position away, or you think you see something and you're walking in, say, the moonlight down the trail or something like that, you just pop it on, it's like, oh, it's a rock, and then you're fine. You're done and you're good to go. Same thing if you're riding or driving, or not driving, but if you're having to use this into a tactical situation, so then you can just use that button at the same time without making a click at all whatsoever. So that's one of the things that I like about that. It just works. So I mean, it's a toughly built, bright, full-size flashlight at 629 looms. It works. It's Aerospace Grade aluminum, that 328 meter beam, and you have that momentary, and then you have that steady light, which is something that I absolutely love about it. It does have a little bit of weight, but it's not that heavy. And it's regulated circuit for maximum output. It has a lifetime warranty on it, and it's a multi-purpose full-size flashlight. It's impact resistant, it's water resistant, but the way it's built, it feels like some of my old, but some diving flashlights. So, but I wouldn't take it diving, but I've had it out in the rain. There has been no issues with it at all whatsoever. When you have it in low mode, you're looking at 111 looms. You're looking at 58 hours of battery time for this. Of course, 10 hours with that 629, and you have it on high. The other thing is that it has that 328 meters while it's on high, but on low you have 136 meters. That light beam as far as how it's gonna go, how far it's gonna go. It's impact resistant up to 1 meter, so you can drop it. I guess as long as you're not breaking this cover here. You see it's all dirty. I just got back from the field with it, and it works fine. And it's water resistant up to IPX4 standards. So one thing that it does say is that all of the tests were used with Duracell batteries. It still works. You don't need to use Duracell batteries. You can use whatever batteries that you want, but some batteries are better than others. That's just how it goes. This full-size performance flashlight, I mean, it's tough. It stands up. These are my first flashlights that I have gotten that are like, full-on, full-grade, real flashlights. Others I've just used to see. These are like the last flashlights that I'm ever gonna buy. It has a wide range of applications. The durability is key in these flashlights here. Our 629 looms is key. I love it. I love it a lot, actually. I'm glad that I did this. I don't know why I didn't do it before. They're gold plated. contacts for reliable activation as far as when you have your batteries in back here. It actually comes with a stamped metal pocket clip for convenient carry. However, I didn't put one on here because I'm not going to be carrying this on my hip. It did come with one. I don't even know if it's still in here or not, but I'm not using it. It's just going to be for carrying. I keep it in my car in case that I have flat tire or anything like that. So anyway, that's your user's guide. It's very simple. You literally just put your batteries in, turn it on, turn it off, press, and then you're done. So that's it. The 511 XBT A6 Everyday Carry Series. Full size battery. You guys have a great one.